What's going on? Sounds loaded, mate. I've got to South Wales in the morning if you want it, pal. Oh, mate, I'll do it, but I'm pre-engaged. I won't do that, it won't bother me. Well, I've got on a one-off anyway, yeah.
Right, well, I'll have to hold this radio with it being so small. We'll take it off. I wonder what people whistle for. I wonder what people do a lot of things. Let's go to Mega Chippie channel. So if you saw this repair, it was the Moonraker Minor 2. It's a multi-norm set, even though it doesn't look like it's a multi-norm set. The instruction book has no mention of it being a multi-norm set, and I wonder if the instruction book is for a previous model that wasn't and was simply probably under the PR 2794 licensing, so it is UK and EU only. There's nothing on this that suggests it's multi-norm, but it is. So I've demonstrated that. The RF gain solely works when it's in EU AM mode. So it's don't think for a moment it's got RF gain, because it hasn't. So let's see whether Mr. Mega Chippie's out there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, it's TV loud and clear.
Roger, we're recording.
Roger that. Right, coming up to the end of the line.
Roger, got you at the end of the line. I'm going to plug the extension speaker in just so you know what it could sound like.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station. Are these shut?
No, it's 175.9 and 187.9.
Excellent. Now we'll go back to the internal speaker.
Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Hill, go down in towards Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 to Mr. Chippie, now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Moonraker Minor 2. It's a multi-norm current model and it's doing 3.8 watts over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Roger. I think we're going to switch now to auto squelch. To access that, it's solely on the mic. It lights up green there to show us that.
Right, we're now going over Wilson Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. So he's now at the 4 mile point.
Right, we're now passing the Greyleaf turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. So that's our worst one. That one's surrounded by trees. That's the 5 mile point.
21 to Mr. Chippie, now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing, and I bet there's a price there as well.
170.9 and 186.9.
170.9, 186.9. Excellent. Well, that concludes the test, thank you.
No problem,
1010. Well, that worked fine. So, if you buy one of these, because I say our current model, just remember the RF gain isn't relevant to the UK. It only works when it's in CPT AM mode. And the speaker's a little smaller, with it being a smaller type of set, but it works great into an extension speaker. There is CPU noise on when it's a strong signal, but you know, doing that test, you don't hear that. I hear it on the test bench, which older sets wouldn't do. At least it's got a volume control, which is bigger and standalone. So yeah, I mean, it's an alright set, that, and it works well. So that's the Moonraker Minor 2. I say that'll still be a current model. I will go over to the base station. See what it sounds like with the factory supplied condenser microphone, or should we say electret? Condenser's an old word.
Tango 21 testing the Moonraker Minor 2 MultiNorm into the Harris CBHQ base station using the factory supplied electret microphone, testing 1